Use a memorable sender name. First impressions matter, and in email marketing, it can also be the last one you make. If your email doesn't stand out and build trust, your subscribers probably won't bother opening it. And if they ignore your newsletters a few times, your future campaigns could go straight to junk. That's why paying attention to your sender name is an email marketing best practice. Think of it as your brand name. Your customers should respond well to it. They'll then check out the subject line and pre-header or open the email right away. So how do you do that? First, your sender name should be recognizable and memorable. You also have to offer value, always. So let's focus on making your sender name identifiable. Most brands use one of the following formats: brand name, employee name from brand name, employee name at brand name customer support, brand name newsletter, brand name digest. Here are some real examples from my inbox. Hotelmarketing.com, Uncommon Goods, Donna Moritz, Socially Sorted, Stuck on You, Team Applecrumbie, Top 10 Reviews, Vogue.com, Vogue Runway, and Chubbies. As far as we're aware, no one has ever studied which one works best. It seems to be a matter of preference and what suits your brand voice guidelines. If you have a strong employee with a good personal brand who's associated with a particular campaign, you could use the combination of employee name from brand name. Example: Abby from GetResponse. Topic: new upcoming webinar. But that might not work for B2B when it's more important for the communication to come from the brand itself. Example: McKinsey. Topic: mobile e-commerce trends in EMEA. So, take these ideas, compare them with your brand voice guidelines, and A/B test them. Then, stick to the one that works. Over time, people will get used to seeing the same name. So if you change it later on, they might not immediately connect it with your brand. You also have to think about the sender address. Why? Because it builds its own reputation over time, in the eyes of ISPs. Changing it too often can affect whether your recipient's email provider accepts your emails. To avoid problems with your email deliverability, don't change it too often, send from a company domain, not free mail like Gmail or Yahoo, and use a trustworthy address. If you feel you're ready to start running effective email programs, to build and segment high-quality lists, design high-converting email templates, continuously test and optimize your campaigns, I've got good news for you. You can do all of this inside of one single tool, and it's completely free, no credit card required. If any of that sounds interesting to you, just sign up for a free trial of GetResponse and start making some real results.